In today's video, I want to recommend Aku Web Hosting. So if you have a website or a forex trader interested in VPS, Aku Web Hosting is the best for you. It has been tested and proven for over 19 years to work very well for you and I that are retail traders. I mostly use it for trading. So you too, if you're a forex trader like me, you can use it for trading too. The response time, if you have any issue, is very fast, like 7 seconds, which is very good for immediate service. It is the best out there, and I think you should hop in and start using their service now. I highly recommend them because of the excellent service that they offer. Trust me, you will not regret for using them. And at the moment, they support over 1 million websites and have about 100K VPS servers all over the world. What are you still waiting for? Just rush to the website and enroll to start using them right now. Thank you.